So hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a React project. So first of all you need two things. The first is Node and the second thing is VS Code. So we just write Node and you will install this first LTS. Now click on it and it will download. Now second thing you need is VS Code, a code editor to write your codes and compile it. For Windows you will install for Windows and for Mac you will install it for Mac. Now after installation you will click on it and press next and it will install. Now in here we create a new folder. Just go inside and we will write cmd, which is command line prompt. So now we will write code space dot to open our VS Code. This is command to open the VS Code. So here you can see the VS Code is open. Now we again go to the terminal and to create a React project we will write npx create -react -app and the name of the app, for example demo app. So the npx is the node package manager. Then here we installing the node, so this will give us this node package manager. And the create react app is a by default command to create a react app. And this thing demo app, it will create a demo app in our folder. So now we will hit enter and it will take a little time. Yes, it's creating. Here you can see a demo app is created in the folder and here a demo app is created and installing the packages for our React app. So it will take at least 10 to 20 minutes depending on the internet connection. So I will pause the video till. So guys, as you can see the project has been created, demo app. Inside this project is created some folders and files. So now we again come to the terminal and it says two things, which is come into the demo app and just write this command npm start. So we will go inside the cd demo app and now we will write npm start. The npm start command is used to start our React project, which is, oh sorry, I just write npm start. So it is starting a development server which is start on localhost 3000 and it will open on the Chrome, as you can see, starting a development server. So now the project is open. By default Facebook is us. By default this is the project structure which Facebook is us. So now let's discuss about the files. The most important file is inside this source folder. Go inside the source and there is an app.js, which is JavaScript file. Go inside and here it is the line which are you seeing it here. Now we will change it. We will just write hello world. Now let's see, will it change? Yeah. So this is the React. So this is our first tutorial. In second one I will tell you about the structure of the files and how you can change the code inside the files and dependencies and other things. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.